because we are studying the voluntary guidelines, this has been manifested in many forms, especially in our existing administrative order on agrarian venture, agribusiness arrangements or AVAS. No? Now, meron tayong pagsususog na ginagawa dyan sa pangkasalukuyan. We're trying to change that because number one, we recognize DAR might not be in the proper position or might not even have the competence to determine what makes best business sense for our farmers. We do not expect farmers to do the same thing. Although, ingat lang, people say, ay, wala kang maasahan sa magsasaka. Wala silang alam. But based on my dealings, for the most part, they actually have native intelligence and they know what they want. So it's just a matter of actualizing what they want. Taking into account your advice, pero masusunod sila. Di ba? So, because of that, the current version of the draft principally has the AO reflect the regulatory functions of the DAR when it comes to these arrangements. Pa-register, pa-monitor, etc. Pero for us to determine, dapat may provision na ganito, mga substantive provisions baka hindi na natin papel yun. Yun yung pinagdedebatihan namin ngayon. But importante, whether may substantive provisions on the terms and conditions or not, kailangan yan merong free, prior, and informed consent. This is a concept we see in IPs, no? But it is a good concept to also take into account pagdating sa mga benepisyaryo natin for AVAs. Dapat may pagre-rehistro. Kasi kung hindi i-rehistro, paano natin mamamonitor? So there must be a central registration mechanism or repository of data. Parang SEC. No? Para magabayan tayo, so pagpapagawa nito, we're trying to get the inputs also of practitioners, leaders of business and industry, because the DAR cannot claim to be knowledgeable about business. Kanina ni Attorney Leretana, what is your vision, blah, blah, blah. And sagot ko naman dyan, we're trying to make sure support services are market-oriented to make sure farmers have a chance. Before, parang, ano yung prescription natin, yun lang yung isusubo natin. Eh, minsan, di natin alam kung ano yung kailangan nila o anong gusto nila. That's a mistake. No? We're here to facilitate what they want, tell them that options, and let them decide, trusting that they know what they want. Paano tayo makakatulong sa kanila para makuha nila yung gusto nila. May magbebenta, that's for sure. Hindi naman lahat talaga siguradong may kakayahan, mayroong business acumen to succeed in agriculture. That's fine. We can expect that. But for those substantive minority, a good number who wish to make their lands productive, abay, tulungan natin. And we want the role of the DAR clearer. Right now, we're both regulatory, we're also quasi-judicial entity that resolves disputes to the exclusion of courts, although that can be challenged. Mga ganun eh. Klaruhin na lang. Ano bang gusto natin papel? SEC lang tayo? Or CDA lang? Tapos ang monitoring function natin pagdating dito sa mga kontrata? Dapat ba may reportorial requirements to mga AVA na to o hindi? Para mas malinaw ang papel natin. And then let them decide on their own. Because DAR's support service pillar or function is to help them. Hindi na kailangan ng DAR as an entity to step in. Trabaho na natin yan eh. Di ba? Otherwise, parang gulo eh. We're both facilitator, mentor, trainer, adjudicator, regulator. Parang too much on our plate, di ba? Ang tinataguyod natin ngayon ay yung programang napakaganda na enterprise lawyering or PBD lawyering na para kayo nagmimistulang, quote-unquote, business coach. Lahat ng mga top managers nun, merong coach. Sabi ko, ano yung coach? Para ba si Baby Dalupan niya? Tim Cone, ganyan. So, apparently, yung kinakausap mo para malaman kung ano yung pinoprocess. It will be a good thing because when you do the same thing for the ARBOs, for the members and officers of these beneficiary organizations, you'll have to give them the options too. Dapat alam nyo. No? And umaasa sa inyo ito mga to because although instinctively they know what they want, how to go about it is your job to tell them how to. Kaya importante na alam natin ano yung konteksto ng ginagawa natin ngayong araw na ito. Kung gaano ka-importante because although Fabella makes a lot of mistakes and in fact even dwells on, as expected from any traditional economist, economies of scale. The bias towards large land holdings being supposedly more efficient. Ang problema dito is that we have a situation which requires active governmental intervention. We cannot just leave it to the market. We cannot just let it go. In fact, with all the more reason, we should continue to help. And that is how we should see the second phase of the PBD lawyering program. We have gathered many well-known, knowledgeable, esteemed resource persons and speakers. So I really would hope that you would give this your undivided time and attention. Devote yourselves fully to the exercise. Because in a very real, concrete sense, nakasalalay sa inyo, sa gabay ninyo, yung kinabukasan ng mga farmers natin. No? And so, ito yung trabaho natin. Parang nasabi ko na yata ito, ano? Oo nga. Thank you.